Buying a home has always felt like a big someday goal for me. But lately, I really wanted to know, when should I get more serious to buy a home? I live in San Diego, and between crazy home prices, interest rates, and just figuring out what I can realistically afford, it's hard to even know where to start. Because there's so much to consider, I didn't want quick opinions. I really wanted trusted research here. Let me show you how Microsoft Copilot created a research report that helped me evaluate these questions. I'll start by opening the Copilot app. Before typing anything, select Deep Research. This is important because this type of prompt may not have a single right answer, and I really wanted to complete broad research. In this mode, Copilot gathers insights from multiple trusted sources, cross-references the information, and organizes it into a structured report. It also provides clear citations that I can explore more if I want to. Deep research works great across many topics like business decisions, financial planning, health research, or technical questions. It's a great choice for when you need depth, not just speed, because it can take a few minutes to provide its results. So for me, the question is a big one. Can I realistically buy a home in San Diego, and what would that look like? I start with the prompt, create a research report on my future home buying potential in San Diego, California. Include local real estate market trends, demographic data, interest rates, lending conditions, and overall economic indicators. Please recommend a few potential neighborhoods that include information about walkability and how close it is to the beach. Before taking time to write our report, Copilot wants to be sure it's on the same page with me. You can add or edit details before research begins. I will add, I want the report to focus on homes with 2-bed, 2-bath. For this type of prompt, Copilot will take a longer time than usual because it's doing real research and formulating a clear report. Finally, here's what Copilot shared with me. The information is clearly structured, so I can follow the logic without feeling overwhelmed. It covers current housing market trends in San Diego, how competitive the market is, and what current economic conditions mean for buyers like me. And at any time, I can click on a citation to go to that source for more. Going into the report even further, it looks like it recommended me several different neighborhoods. Each neighborhood has a great description of what I might experience living there. Reviewing this report, it is very clear that research is even more helpful if it connects back to my current financial reality. I know $1 million home is not in my cards for now, so I'll layer in my personal financial picture. And I want to be sure it focuses on adding more to this report. I write a new prompt with an example financial situation like, continue this research report by evaluating my personal financial ability for home buying. Consider my income of $110,000, monthly expenses of $4,500, existing debt with credit cards of $3,000, credit score of 740, current savings for a down payment of $40,000. And future financial goals like a solid emergency savings and retirement. Copilot doesn't just list numbers. It explains how these factors work together and how lenders typically look at them. It's even helping me know what is realistic for my current financial state and what to think about for the future. This gives me a much better idea for planning. Next, I want to get very real about monthly costs. Now I prompt, as part of this research report, estimate potential monthly housing costs in San Diego for a single woman, including mortgage payments, property taxes, HOA fees, and insurance. Now I can see what feels manageable and what might stretch too far. Once I have this research, I want to continue using it. So I asked Copilot to export the report in useful ways. Prompt, export a detailed research report to Word, and then create a comparison table and charts in Excel for estimated monthly costs. Now I have 1, a structured summary that I can review or share with anyone helping me in this process. 2, a reference where I can compare financial scenarios and adjust for different changes. This is what turns research into a really useful tool for me. Creating a research report with Copilot didn't tell me what decision to make, and that's the point. What it gave me was depth, clarity, and confidence with the information we have access to. I understand the market better, I understand my finances better, and I understand what questions I should be asking next. If you also found this helpful, like and subscribe to learn more about Copilot.